Now let's do the round face. Round face is something which I wanted to talk about. That's why it's in this webinar. A lot of people make a huge mistake, a blunder when it comes to round face. So I'm going to just quickly show you this. So I've picked up a round face and I'm going to place it on the arm. So if I want to place this on the arm, I would take this, put it here. Normally people would do this, and normally people would do this. Let me show you what exactly I see in my day-to-day life. Normally people will do this. This is what they will do. They will just place it right here and something of this sort. So let's multiply, and that's it. Leave it. Just abrupt cut, and there's this face. Now, what is the right way to go about it? I think that this image because it's an elongated arm and that the image is squarish, it needs some element to flow with it, right? So what I realized is I took this image from the internet and I liked the arm, the hand part of it. So what I did is the brush is not working. That's okay. So I took this part. Let me show you. So I took this part and I added there in the design. Let me show you how. So there's the image. I added a little texture to it. Add a hand and a little bit of background and a little bit of flow. So you see the difference is the same round face, just a little bit of creativity and effort. This took hardly 10 minutes to create. So you may say that, you know, I'm used to do this like every day because I'm good at it. No, it is about the desire. If you intend to create something which is gonna go out and, you know, create an impact, you will do this in 5 minutes later. And initially, to get, you know, to master this technique, it will take some time, but you need to have that intention and desire to do it. Most of the people will do the portrait, they will talk about the, you know, great feature, how both the images are looking same, but that's not the case. It is about the entire design, how well it is wrapped, how well the size is, whether it is flowing with the anatomy of the arm or not, or any given part. So that's about the round face.